Hi, Jenny here. Today for lunch we're going to do another take on a type of a tuna salad. We are going to be making some nutty tuna salad pitas. So let's get started. For this recipe we are going to need 1 6-ounce can of tuna, 3/4 of a cup of either feta cheese or ricotta cheese, 1/3 cup of chopped celery, 1/2 cup of diced apples, 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts, 1 tablespoon of dried tarragon, 2 pita breads, and 2 cups of some type of mixed greens, romaine lettuce, some type of salad. First we're going to drain our can of tuna and then just put it into a bowl. So I cut the top off of there. Usually how I like to do it is then we just squeeze the top and have all the juice come out. We're going to dice up 1/2 cup of apples and 1/3 cup of our celery, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of our tarragon leaves. So funny, because when you have those stalks, it doesn't look like it's going to make that much, and I thought 1 won't be enough, I'll do 2. Next is 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts, and then we'll add the 3/4 cup of ricotta cheese. Time to make the sandwich. Take a pita bread and we'll cut that in half. Really all packaged up, aren't they? Kind of look like a little flying saucer, and when you cut them open they should have an opening on the inside, so it makes it a little pocket. Just like that. Be gentle because it is kind of thin, so you don't want to push too hard and push through it. Either way, then we'll take some lettuce, tear that off. We're just going to kind of put a little bit of that on the inside, and then we will fill it with our tuna mixture. So there you have it, another version of a tuna salad. So this one doesn't use mayonnaise, so if you don't like mayonnaise, like my daughters, the cheese holds the ingredients all together. So let me know in the comments down below if you like tuna salad or what your favorite recipe to go to is. And I will leave the recipe for this in the description down below. So I'm gonna enjoy my lunch. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. You can get this without squishing too much out. Oh yeah. That's a good sandwich. I'll chew the nuts. Enjoy. No breakfast yet. Alright, so Nutty Tuna salad Pitas. Try to take 2 just because. See what you can see. Let me see. I'm going to enjoy my lunch. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. So good. Nom nom nom.